Hello and welcome. We're really glad you joined us here. This tutorial will help you understand boring logs in SiteWorx OS version 8. Boring logs are used to calculate cut volumes by soil type. Go to the Project tab to set up the borings before you take off the boring logs. The Boring Log Setup window has two tabs, Setup and Soil Types. Before making selections at the Setup tab, look at the actual boring logs to determine how the strata elevations are disclosed. Are the soil strata per the boring logs defined by its bottom elevation or the depth below surface? Should the surface elevation be set to 0 for each boring log? The actual boring logs will determine the settings defined here. The selections made here will also dictate how the strata will be recorded when entering the borings. When a project has borings set up and topsoil strip volumes are needed, the topsoil strata must be defined when setting up the borings. The depth of the topsoil is used to calculate the volume of topsoil stripping. When using borings, the topsoil strip selection will not be available. Go to the Soil Types tab to set up the soil strata. Simply use the commands at the bottom of the screen to add, delete, modify, and record the various soil types. If one of the soil types is used for topsoil, check the box. If the soil type can be used for fill, click the Use for Fill checkbox. Once the boring information is set up at the Project tab, go to the Takeoff tab to record the location and depths of the soil strata for each boring. Before digitizing borings, make sure you select Options, Show Properties/Elevation dialog to turn it on. This will automatically turn on the Boring Log Entry dialog. Simply click the location of the boring log. Then enter the data on the Boring Log Entry dialog. Click the drop-down menu to select the soil type. If the desired soil type is not listed, add the soil type by going back to the Project tab. Choose Setup. Use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to add, delete, and record desired soil types. When finished entering the boring logs, go to the Soil Analysis tab to view the soil strata at each boring log. Go to Reports, Cut by Soil Type to view and print the cut volume by soil type. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial about boring logs in SiteWorx OS version 8. And of course, please contact us if you need further help. We are really eager to be of assistance to you.